All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about color overlay. All right, so let's go to our document here, and we're in layer styles.psd. I'm going to go to File, Save, and then I'm going to go to Layer 0 here, double click on FX, and what we're going to do is go down to Color Overlay and turn off all these effects. So the only one we see is Color Overlay. Now this is pretty straightforward, but you can adjust the blending mode. So that's where the cool part comes in here. So we can darken this, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color. Okay, I'm gonna move this over to the right so you can see what I'm doing. If I do lighten, screen, color dodge, linear dodge, lighter color, overlay, soft light, hard light, vivid light, linear light, pen light, hard mix, difference, it's kind of cool, exclusion, which is the color we have, subtract, divide, hue, saturation, color, luminosity. All right, so I'm going to keep mine on color. And there you go. That's how you work with color overlay. And you can also adjust the opacity of this. So we can go all the way to 100%, or you can do, 50%, 75%, 80%, whatever you want to do. But that's really color overlay. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.